Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you the 3-move checkmate with white, and with black is the 2-move checkmate. So these both are the same ways of checkmating, but the checkmate is over within fewer moves for black. And this is a conditional checkmate, and it will only work if black plays the exact moves I show in this video. So let's begin. So first with white, then with black. So pawn to e4, then black has to respond with either f5 or g5. So let's take f5 in this case. Then we have to move any piece except the pieces which interfere with the queen's diagonal to h5, because that is where we'll checkmate. So we can play either with the knight, with the pawn, or with this knight over here, this pawn coming here, this pawn over here, this pawn over here, but it should not disturb this diagonal. Let's just play knight to c3 here. Then black has to respond with g5, and after that we checkmate him with queen to h5. So that is the basic idea of the trap, and now I'm going to be teaching you how to defend it. So to defend it, it's very easy. While we begin with e4, he should just start with the normal opening like e5. Then we can respond with knight to f3. He can respond with knight to c6. Then we can go for bishop to b5. He can respond with d6 so that it still protects this. We can go like this, and after he takes, and it'll be a good game for both the sides. So now let's go and try out the trap from black. So first white has to play this one, f4 or g4. Okay, pawn to f4 or g4. As I told before, it is conditional. And then we have to play e5. Then white has to play g4, and then we checkmate with queen to h4. So that is the basic idea, and now how to defend it. So first, the main way to defend, we start with the normal opening e4, e5, then he can attack with f3. We can go with c6, and he can attack, and then we do the normal way, and then he can increase his attackers. We increase the defense. He castles. We bring out the bishop to castle. He brings out his rook, and the same way it's going to be a good game for both sides. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.